Welcome back. Another rather gloomy day across the region, mainly cloudy skies for the better part of our Thursday here in the immediate La Crosse area. And the high today, 32 degrees. A cold start, 10 degrees was the morning low. Averages are 35 and 20. No rain or snow as of yet. And we could use some snowfall for the month. Nada, about 2.5 inches below average. And for the year, or for the snow season, 3.2 inches. And that is about 3 inches below average. Currently 28 degrees out at the airport, mostly cloudy sky. 30 degrees downtown here at the station, and the winds are light, so the wind chill factor is not a big deal this evening. 26 for you folks in Eau Claire. Good evening to you. Your wind is calm, so again, wind chill is not a big concern. Mainly just cloudy skies across the region. You can ignore that clutter there. That is activity that is not reaching the ground. You have to go over western and northwestern Iowa, southern South Dakota, eastern Nebraska before you get that shield of moisture that's heading our way as an area of low pressure over southern Nebraska makes its way by just to our south over the next 24 hours, and as it does, that shield of moisture will approach our area overnight, mainly in the form of snow. So that's why a winter weather advisory in place from the National Weather Service that now includes Wabasha, Buffalo, Trempealeau, and Jackson counties and points south. So Eau Claire and the Chippewa Valley, you are not in this advisory. It's in place from midnight tonight through early tomorrow afternoon. Most of those purple shaded counties, 2 to 4, maybe 5 inches of snow, minor icing also possible, and do expect some wintry driving conditions for that Friday morning commute. Now here's what I'm thinking in terms of snowfall. This would be storm totals through tomorrow evening. Lightest amounts up to the north, traced to an inch, and most of our viewing area in that 1 to 3 to 2 to 4 inch range, including the La Crosse area, where you see these darker blue spots. That could be localized 4 or 5, maybe 6 inch totals in some of our southern communities. I think the bulk of this snow will fall from 2 o'clock tomorrow morning until late morning, maybe 10, 11 o'clock, probably lunchtime at the latest. Now, if we see some freezing drizzle or mist at times, maybe some minor icing in spots as well, just something to keep in mind. So let's time things out on SkyTrack. You can see that snow starting to approach southwestern parts of the area, not till after about 11 o'clock or midnight though, not reaching La Crosse until about 2 or 3 o'clock tomorrow morning. Here's the drive time tomorrow morning. Yeah, a lot of us will be in fairly persistent snow, so keep that in mind. And you kind of have to relearn those winter driving skills, first one of the season, and then that snow tapers by about lunchtime or shortly thereafter. Then dry for tomorrow, or I should say Friday night, and into the morning on Saturday. A weaker disturbance brings a chance for some light snow showers or a mix in spots. Now current temperatures, mid to upper 20s to lower 30s. Winds are fairly light, so wind chills not much colder for most locations. Now temperatures tomorrow will top out in the mid 30s, right around 36 degrees in the La Crosse area. In fact, most of our viewing area, you can pick out your location. I've got 65 for you to choose from here, seeing highs between about 33 and 37 degrees. So temperatures kind of a little bit above freezing, and that's why we could see a little bit of a wintry mix in some spots before the precip tapers tomorrow afternoon. So for tonight, 27. Snow develops after midnight primarily from southwest to northeast. Tomorrow, periods of snow in the morning primarily, tapers early afternoon. Highs around 36 degrees. And looking ahead, that chance of light snow or a mix on Saturday, 36. Couple of dry days Sunday and Monday, albeit mostly cloudy. And then a strong system being depicted for next week. Tuesday night into Wednesday, a chance of rain and snow and windy conditions as well. And then a bit colder with some snow showers, and still breezy on Thursday. Still a chance of snow showers next Friday as well. So Mother Nature making me earn my keep this week. Rather active pattern over the next 8 days.
We're getting that winter wonderland finally, huh?
Yeah, and this is kind of the time of year where most people don't mind the snowfall because they like it heading into the holidays. But yeah, this could be our first widespread accumulating snow for the region tonight, tomorrow.
I'm one of those people, so I'm excited.
Okay.
Thanks, Bill.